Finally, let's briefly go over how to design a simple and effective PowerPoint slide when it comes to making a flipped video lecture. This is an example from a video lecture activity that I did with Korean teachers. There's a couple of things to note here. For one, look at the text. The text is relatively large, and it's not too many. On this side over here, I do have a screenshot from a website, but I try to keep most of the text to a minimum. Also, as you can see over here, it really helps to use some kind of visual aid when you make your flipped video lecture. Images, GIFs, or other kinds of media are very helpful to communicating your message. And finally, look down here. Why is there so much empty space on this PowerPoint slide? Ding! When you leave an empty square or rectangle on your PowerPoint slide, it can allow you to insert a webcam of yourself talking. I find that flipped lecture videos are a lot more engaging to the students when they can actually see their teacher speaking to them and they can see their face, rather than what some people opt to do, which is to use perhaps a voice over a PPT, a kind of ghost. Instead, it can be very engaging and a little bit more interesting for students to see their teacher, their face, their hand motions, their facial expressions. You can make it a lot more fun. So that's all we have time for today. What other pros and cons can you think of for flipped learning? What questions do you have about how to design an effective PowerPoint presentation for your flipped lessons? Let me know, and I look forward to seeing you in class next time. Until then, cheers!